I'm very excited about this new project here at Richard Woodcock Education Center. We're going to be installing 481 solar panels on the roof of this building, which will be one of the biggest solar panel projects in town. We received all of the solar panels in one shipment. We had a semi-truck deliver them to campus, and they're being stored in a Conex box, and it's keeping them safe while we are preparing to install them on the roof. Each solar panel is about 3 by 6 feet. Each panel supplies the building with 330 watts of power, and that equates to approximately $12,000 to $13,000 in savings each year. So the first thing you're going to see is the racks go up, and the racks support all the solar panels. After the racks are installed, you're going to see solar panels go up all throughout the length of this side and the other side. So they're going to face south to get maximum exposure from the sun. My role is to manage, the project from beginning to end, making sure all the contractors are scheduled, making sure it's going to be on time and on budget. There are a lot of challenges. We need to keep the safety of everybody in mind at all times, the safety of the students, staff, and the contract workers that will be installing the solar panels. They need to be tied up. They need to be wearing protective equipment at all times, and communication with the building staff and faculty is very important. I think what this means for the future of Western Oregon University is that it will open the doors to similar sustainable projects in the future. The projected completion date is December 31st of this year.